You know we gotta get your ass on video. It's the Boston show.
You thought we dive at friggin' 5.
How? Yeah. Hey, this is what we need to do, dude. Hey,
What we need to do, dude?
Hey, you need to come out with. You need to say Cherry Buster.
108.
Zeus Hotel, dude.
Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, we've been there a couple
Zeus
times.
Hotel. I've never been there. I don't know what you're talking about.
Real
Oh, there's the motherfucker. Look at it. Oh.
No wonder May wants to marry you, dude.
No wonder you got them juicy girls on
I
lockdown.
know.
You're a pimp, dude.
I'm a fucking
How?
pimp, yo.
Oh.
We don't fuck around, dude.
You don't fuck around? Hey, tell us about what Wolfpack does.
What's Wolfpack
Are you
do,
talking
Boston?
about Tony Montana or the Wolfpack, eh? Well,
What does the Wolfpack do, Boston?
Wolfpack.
What
We
about
don't fuck around, man. We
Why? Why don't
because
fuck
we know
around?
how to get shit run down, bro.
Why? What do we do?
We don't mob too tough. We dive at freaking 5.
How? Hey, no, this is what we need to have happen. Dyke, you gotta
what
say
do
the
we
opening line, okay? You gotta say Cherry Buster. I come out with no muff too tough, and he comes out, we dive at 5. How?
Let's do it. Let's do
Alright,
it.
we gotta practice, cause we're gonna do this
Cherry
shit in the
Buster,
film.
do it.
No muff too tough.
We dive at 5.
How?